In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view layers on Canva, a skill that can greatly enhance your design efficiency and accuracy. Working with layers is crucial for organizing elements within your design, allowing you to easily adjust and manage each component separately. Let's walk through the process together step by step. To begin, open your design in Canva. Once you have your canvas in front of you, you might notice multiple elements placed within your project. These could be text boxes, images, shapes, or any other component you've added to your design. To manage these elements more effectively, you'll want to understand how they are organized. This is where viewing and manipulating layers becomes invaluable. The first action you need to take is to right-click on any element within your Canva workspace. This could be a text box, an image, or even a shape that you've added. Right-clicking on this element will bring up a contextual menu that offers various options for managing that specific item and its properties. Once the menu appears, you'll want to look for the option related to layers, which is aptly named Layer. Hover your mouse or cursor over this option, and you will notice that a sub-menu will appear. Hovering does not require any clicking, simply move your cursor to highlight this option. In the sub-menu, you will find an option labeled Show Layers. Now this is where the magic happens. By clicking on Show Layers, a new panel will open on your screen. This panel will display a list of all the elements on your canvas in a hierarchical format, much like stacked sheets of paper. Each item will be listed, indicating how the elements are layered and how they overlap each other. This layering feature is incredibly useful when you're trying to select or edit elements that are beneath others, or when you want to change the order of elements in your design. You can quickly identify which element sits on top and which is behind, making it far easier to make precise adjustments. This layer management tool truly enhances your workflow, particularly in more complex designs where elements may easily get lost or blend into each other. Remember, mastering the use of layers can save you time and prevent frustration when things appear misaligned or hidden. With practice, manipulating these layers will allow you to create more polished and professional designs with ease. Thank you for tuning into this quick tutorial on viewing layers in Canva. Don't forget to try this out on your next project and see how it improves your design process. Until next time, happy designing.